Mary Joseph, get yourself out of this room, girl. The Lord Protector has forbidden anyone from entering. You're lucky 'tis me that found you, child, not his lordship. Lordship in the stocks he would. The Lord Protector expects his rules to be followed. Remember that tomorrow. Now, off home with you.
Ah, now. There you are. Did you see your new friend again?
Come in. You catch your death out there.
Huh?
Are you a hunter or a housemaid?
Work is prayer, Robin.
Then I prayed the whole Bible.
Good lass. This is still new for you, but it's a righteous life for a young lady.
Well, it's no life for me. I can get the wolf walkers to leave. You just need to listen to me.
Robin Goodfellow, enough of your stories.
I can go look for her.
You must do as you're told. No more fairy tales.
But
no buts.
The wolf walkers...
Wolf walkers are not real.
Merlin, can you smell that? Merlin, what's happened to you? I can see your scent. What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, no, no! What? What do I do? How did this happen? Oh, no, 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 no.